WPBF 25, South Florida's local weather leader, brings you the new WPBF 25 Hurricane Tracker app, the only local, free hurricane app. All the critical information you need, all in one place. Track storms using interactive maps. View the latest cone of uncertainty. See shelters, evacuation zones, and emergency numbers. Get checklists to prepare your family, home, and pets. Plus instant access to Twitter feeds from your First Alert weather team. The new WPBF 25 Hurricane Tracker app. Download it for free at the Apple App Store and Android Market today.